Right, this is a 1961 Harley Davidson Panhead Duo Glide. I've been trying to kickstart it and I just can't do it, so we started it on the rolling road. It did fire up quick. I have managed to ride it round the yard, but I'm having trouble with the clutch and gears. I'm just not used to that setup and I kept stalling it, but the gears are all there, the clutch works, just needs a better rider. It's been done up nicely. I know it's not standard 100%, but there's some improvements done, well, some might say. There you go. Anyway.